Hello, everyone. Today we will explore how AI shapes federal operations and the implications for various stakeholders. Our main goal is to emphasize the significance of understanding these AI trends for strategic sales and marketing in the public sector. For this presentation, I will cover these five key areas. Each section is designed to provide insights into the current landscape of federal AI, including the driving forces behind these trends. By understanding these elements, IT companies can better position themselves to meet the needs of federal agencies and leverage upcoming opportunities in the AI space. Let's begin by reviewing the transformative power of AI in government. By leveraging AI's capabilities, federal agencies can speed up data analysis and decision making, leading to more informed and timely actions. AI streamlines processes, making public services more efficient and ensuring every interaction is meaningful. It has a far-reaching impact on the federal government. It drives innovation, it improves clarity, and makes services more accessible and efficient for everyone. I'll share some real-world example later to illustrate these points. But first, let's dive into how AI got its start in the federal government. The earliest mandate on AI in the US federal government can be traced back to the National Artificial Intelligence Research and Development Strategic Plan that was first released by the Executive Office in October 2016 during the Obama administration. It was developed by the National Science and Technology Council Subcommittee on Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence. The plan aimed to create a cohesive strategy for AI research and development, recognizing the amazing potential of AI technologies. What you see here are key policies that strengthen the adoption of AI in the federal government and support AI advancements in the federal sector. They are pivotal in shaping the landscape of AI governance. They emphasize the importance of maintaining leadership in AI while ensuring its safe and trustworthy development. So understanding these policies is essential for IT companies looking to align their solutions with federal priorities and compliance requirements. Keep in mind that an incoming administration can significantly alter the direction of AI development to reflect its priorities. For example, the latest executive order from the Trump administration, is seen here at the bottom, issued last January, revoked Executive Order 14.11.0, shown right above it, established by the Biden administration. This latest EO requires the immediate review and reversal of policies perceived as barriers to AI innovation. In addition to executive orders, Congress plays a pivotal role in advancing AI within the federal government. This slide highlights the congressional role that drives federal AI adoption. So through Congress, numerous bills were created to address the unprecedented risk posed by the rapid growth of AI technology. These bills address issues such as imposing restrictions on high-risk AI, requiring evaluation of AI systems, imposing transparency and labeling requirements, creating regulatory authorities, and protecting consumers through liability measures. Next is the National Defense Authorization Act. It is a critical piece of legislation that authorizes the budget and sets policies for the United States Department of Defense. It is passed annually by Congress and signed into law by the President. The NDAA is very important because it impacts defense-related IT procurement and contracting opportunities. The National Institute of Standards and Technology is a non-regulatory federal agency within the U.S. Department of Commerce. founded in 1901. And this also plays a crucial role in federal AI adoption by setting standards and to ensure AI systems are reliable and trustworthy. They also coordinate efforts to keep the U.S. at the forefront of artificial intelligence. Their latest guidelines focus on enhancing measures for predictive and generative AI systems and assisting organizations in developing risk budgets and recovering plans to effectively handle cyber threats and attacks from adversaries. The General Services Administration plays a crucial role in AI adoption in that they develop AI strategies, governance, and resources to ensure efficient and ethical use of AI across various agencies. They provide guidance on procuring AI services, making it easier for agencies to adopt AI technologies. The recent historic reduction in force, especially the closure of its 18F office, has made it harder for GSA to support AI adoption and innovation. However, with fewer personnel, AI becomes critical to offset the reduced workforce by maintaining efficiency, automating tasks, analyzing data, and supporting decision making. Let's now turn to trends and drivers of federal AI. Each area you see here, from generative AI to cybersecurity, represents how AI is leveraged in our government to enhance its operations and effectiveness. Under each of these drivers are examples of use cases that highlight the usefulness and strength of AI across federal agencies. These represent only a fraction of the documented use cases. Since last January, over 1,700 use cases have been recorded within the federal government. I'll select some of these we see here as examples. TechGen AI, for instance. The IRS has been working with some pretty old technology, like its core tax processing system developed since 1960s. Its program was written in COBOL, which is a programming language. The IRS has been trying to update it for over 10 years now. But thanks to generative AI, the IRS managed to pull out the logic from this old code, which helps them boost system performance, integrate with new technologies, and keep up with today's requirements. In data processing, the Office of the Secretary of Defense leverages AI to improve procurement data by ensuring data accuracy, speeding up data handling, and enabling faster decision making. And in cybersecurity, CISA uses AI to observe network traffic for any suspicious activities across government departments and agencies. And they use unsupervised machine learning to spot trends, patterns, and anomalies in the data, making their cybersecurity efforts smarter and more effective around the clock. Here are 5 other trends. On your left, the Department of Homeland Security uses AI to boost the system security by automatically verifying identities and managing access permissions in real time. This way, only the right people can have access to sensitive information and systems, keeping its network secure and running smoothly. In autonomous navigation, the Army uses AI in autonomous vehicles to navigate tough terrains, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions. For example, the Robotic Combat Vehicle program lets vehicles move on their own and responds to voice commands. This is making operations smoother and safer for soldiers. In virtual and augmented reality, the VA uses AI to help veterans manage pain, treat PTSD, and improve physical therapy through interactive exercises. This immersive technology helps reduce anxiety, improve mobility, and manage chronic pain by allowing veterans to engage in therapeutic environments. Now, let's explore areas that will see continued AI use and growth within the federal government. The recently approved FY federal IT budget includes a significant increase in AI-related funding to support various initiatives across federal agencies. We'll explore upcoming opportunities that support these trends. But what you see here are aspects of AI we can expect to see more of in the immediate future. We often hear about large language models, but not so much about small language models. They are also known as baby LMs and tiny LMs. These models are gaining traction. They are designed to be more efficient and require less computational power than large language models. They accomplish specific tasks like larger language models, but with fewer needed resources, making them more accessible and cost-effective. The focus on AI in healthcare and finance also underscores the growing importance of these sectors in federal initiatives. In healthcare, federal agencies use AI for tasks like analyzing medical records and improving patient care. In finance, AI helps with fraud detection, financial reporting, and risk management within the government operations. With the recent success and popularity of ChatGPT, generative AI is now a well-known technology. Understandably, it is a game changer for efficiency and productivity. Gen AI continues to be an important tool within the federal government. The Office of Management and Budget has established requirements for AI governance and innovation, pushing federal agencies to adopt Gen AI and appoint chief artificial intelligence officers to oversee these efforts. Edge AI, which primarily uses agentic AI to process data, carrying out steps closer to the source rather than relying on centralized cloud servers. This enables real-time insights and faster decision-making, which is crucial for applications like surveillance and disaster response for agencies like the DoD, NOAA, and DHS. Edge AI is becoming more prevalent in applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, Internet of Things, and mobile devices. Regulation will significantly shape the use of AI in the federal government. Legislation could impose obligations for developers of high-risk AI systems and require transparency from companies using generative AI. So for instance, the FCC requires transparency from companies using Gen AI in advertising. We've also seen how the latest executive order has revoked many AI directives by the previous administration. So IT companies will want to monitor legislation and EOs that can greatly impact federal use of AI going forward. Small businesses focusing on AI will also see growth. The federal government is actively looking for AI solutions from small businesses. They offer procurement opportunities through agencies like the GSA, providing support and resources via the Small Business Administration, and foster a collaborative community of AI innovators. The January released executive order that calls for the removal of barriers to innovation may also help small businesses through fewer strict compliance and requirements. These efforts help small businesses speed up AI development and encourage collaboration on best practices, making the most of their innovative potential in the federal landscape. Now, let's explore upcoming AI opportunities. Currently, many agencies are looking to AI to address the needs to be more cost efficient and productive. There are a lot more than what I can share here, but these are some good examples of opportunities and their timelines that you might want to keep an eye out for. Please also note that the current administration's reduction in force and strategic priorities can greatly impact many of these opportunities. So you want to monitor these pre-RFPs at sam.gov for any changes. Let's look at some examples. In row number 2, the FDA may have a continuing requirement for AI solutions to support its research and data analytical tool development. This opportunity has an estimated value of $95 million. You may recall that about the use case where the IRS uses a Gen AI to work with its outdated system using COBOL. Row number 5 shows an opportunity with the Office of Personnel Management. Its Office of the Chief Information Officer has a requirement for AI tools to assess and modernize the agency's legacy system. The value is currently not determined, so that's another item for your upcoming opportunity watch list. Row 7 has a pretty sizable value of $3.2 billion. It's a multiple award contract requirement for AI/ML with the DoD. There's an incumbent, but the total value could top $15 billion for a 10-year period of performance. So from what we have learned so far, here are some important takeaways for IT companies and professionals offering solutions to federal agencies. These can be key differentiators for your AI market advancement in this growing competitive landscape. So when working with federal agencies on AI solutions, you want to start with understanding the specific needs and challenges through conversations to define the problems they need AI to solve. And you want to ensure quality by using test beds and sandboxes to trial your solutions. This will ensure confidence in your solutions. Securing data sources is vital. Demonstrate how you protect data and comply with privacy regulations, reassuring agencies about data security. Collaborating with key officials means working closely with those who oversee AI initiatives within the agency. This involves regular communication to ensure your AI solutions comply with all relevant laws and regulations. By doing this, you help ensure that your solutions are not only legally compliant, but also strategically beneficial, fostering a trusting partnership with your government officers. Budget management is super important. So you want to help agencies manage costs effectively by monitoring expenses and providing transparent pricing models to keep everything within budget. Focusing on AI governance is crucial. The Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer plays a key role in enhancing AI effectiveness by identifying impactful directions, streamlining processes, and securing funding. This also helps IT companies see how their AI solutions fit into the bigger picture of the agency's modernization plan. Upskilling the workforce is another priority. This equips federal employees with the necessary skills to manage AI technologies effectively, especially considering the workforce reductions. It's equally important for companies to upskill their own teams to handle AI advancements. These efforts will ensure the federal agencies can handle AI technologies and advancements more effectively. Ensuring compliance with recent AI policies and regulation is really essential. By being transparent about how AI solutions work, securing proper licensing, and rigorously testing for security vulnerabilities, companies can build trust and meet regulation requirements, reassuring federal agencies of their reliability. Positioning your offerings in the federal AI market requires understanding spending trends, keeping an eye on opportunities, and aligning with top acquisition practices. So based on the federal AI spending trends, you want to focus on the acquisition vehicles you see here. Keep in mind that TD SYNNEX has access to these vehicles, so you are encouraged to talk to us about how to take full advantage of our capabilities. Finally, small businesses should leverage programs like the Small Business Innovation Research and Small Business Technology Transfer programs. These federal initiatives are designed to support small businesses in developing innovative technologies. Well, that's it for my presentation. Thank you for your interest in exploring the rapidly evolving federal AI landscape. Bye for now.